Houston, we have a problem. I have no idea what I'm doing. We have a problem. This is not the tile I gave you for this particular house. Every problem has a solution. Yes, I'm running out of time. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed, but this one was particularly crazy but good, because I've always wanted to flip a house, right? So I had the opportunity to meet with the lady, and I went in the house and I saw some raw footage, and I started videotaping it and seeing where things were and looking at the kitchen. There was absolutely nothing in the kitchen, and all of this stuff that I had to do that I did not realize I had to do. The whole house have already been gutted out, so we're just doing a walkthrough right now.
So I would just get rid of that, throw down, get rid of that wall.
Let me put it right here.
Slide it over.
Not sure yet. So like they're now already taking up the floors, and you're gonna do the floors from the kitchen to the bedroom. This is the space going into the garage. So all this have to be replaced. You don't know when you're flipping a house what kind of tile gonna look like, what the tile's gonna look like. You have an idea, but when you go to the tile locations, it's so much different tile and so many variations of colors and pricing and this and that. Then the wood and the kitchen and the layout of the kitchen. What are the cabinets gonna look like? What is the backdrop gonna look like? Oh yeah, this is nice. I don't know, this might be the best place to come and get the tile, because as you can see, they have a lot of variations you can choose from. So this is the tile she might like. I'm not sure. This is the backsplash that she might like. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna try this and see if it's something that she like, and then I'll come back and if not, we'll come back to the drawing board. You got to make sure all the contractors are on time, doing what they're supposed to be doing, not being lazy. And one important thing, don't let them come back and give you a higher price because of this. You get in, you figure it out, and that's what I had to do. Hey, hello? Yes. I'm out and about right now. What you got? Oh, you sending me a picture of the granite and the backsplash right now? Okay, let me take a look at it. We have a problem. This don't match. This don't even coincide. This don't gel. I don't know what this is not the tile I gave you for this particular house. This tile you said this was for another house you wanted me to buy for you. This is not the right tile. Oh my God. Every problem has a solution. Every problem has a solution. Let me go back. Let me go and get the exact tile I need for this house. And I'm gonna call you, give me about a couple of hours, because I have to drive way to the other side of town. Yes. And I'll call you back and I'll bring the tile to the house. And I'll give you, they have to take that tile down. That's not gonna work. Oh, you got new sinks? This lady's a bling bling, like, wanted nice, beautiful, everything. Chandeliers. Hey Sandra, how you doing? Oh, good. You all having a good time? Good. Listen, when are you all coming back? In 2 days? Okay, all right, everything looking good, yeah? Everything is fine. I'll see you in 2 days. Bye. Yes, I'm running out of time. Yeah, here's the tile. So I'm just gonna put it down right here. This is what it is. The error was bad. I went back and talked to the guy. I made some things happen. But we got it together and everything looked good. So the end result, I got it. You know, I got it. That's all I can say is I got it.